If your Epic Games launcher keeps looping you back to the login screen, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you a simple fix that usually solves the problem fast. This is especially useful if the launcher seems stuck, won't save your session, or keeps asking you to sign in again and again. We're going to make sure nothing is running in the background, then we'll relaunch it with the right permissions so you can get back into your account. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick fixes just like this. Alright, let's get straight into it. The first thing you need to know is that cache files and login data can't always be updated properly if Epic Games processes are still running quietly in the background. So before doing anything else, we need to fully close those background tasks. To do that, press Ctrl, Shift, and ESC at the same time on your keyboard. This opens Windows Task Manager. If Task Manager opens in the simple view, just click More Details so you can see everything clearly. Now go to the Processes tab and scan through the list carefully. You're looking for anything named Epic Games Launcher or EpicWebHelper. These are the most common processes that can keep the launcher partially active even when it looks closed. If you find one, right-click it and choose End Task. Do the same for any other Epic-related processes you see. If there are multiple entries, end all of them. The goal here is to make sure Epic is completely shut down before you try logging in again. Once that's done, go to your desktop and find the Epic Games Launcher shortcut. Right-click it, then choose Run as Administrator. This is important because sometimes the launcher needs elevated permissions to handle sign-in properly and write the correct data to your system. If Windows shows a permission prompt, click Yes to allow it. Don't skip this step, because the admin launch is part of what helps fix the login loop. Now wait for the Epic Games Launcher to open and try signing in again. This time, before typing in your password, make sure you check the box for Remember Me. That small step can help the launcher keep your session properly and prevent it from sending you right back to the login page. Enter your email and password carefully, then sign in and see if the issue is resolved. In many cases, simply ending the background processes and reopening the launcher as administrator is enough to fix the login loop immediately. If it still doesn't work on the first try, repeat the steps once more and make sure every Epic-related process was fully ended before reopening the launcher. Sometimes, one hidden process is all it takes to keep the loop going. And that's it. You've now learned how to fix the Epic Games Launcher login loop by closing background processes, reopening it with admin access, and using Remember Me during login. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple troubleshooting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.